Goals pertaining to aesthetics or body image goals, yeah, they're very popular, and it's great to have a goal pertaining to aesthetics. But dig deeper. Can you find more specific goals? Having a simple goal to look better, yeah, that's awesome. And it is nice to focus on the aesthetics component of our goals. But when we look at the grand scheme of things, it's so vital and important for your overall mental and physical health to set functional goals, set specific goals pertaining to your overall health and wellness. Setting new goals, whether they be short-term or long-term, extremely important and vital for your journey within your health and fitness and achieving your goals. But simply put, if you are just focused on the image aspect of your fitness, if you're going into this with an aesthetic component, then it kind of sets you up for lifestyle anguish. You'll cut down on the food you're eating. You're gonna cut out things that you enjoy. You are potentially may cut yourself off from your social calendar. You might spend more hours at the gym. You might do anything that it takes to hit that specific aesthetic goal. And that can be really hard on you mentally. Now, I'm not knocking having an aesthetic goal or wanting to increase your confidence and self-esteem. We all want to look better, potentially at some part within our health and fitness journey. But when it brings anguish to your daily life and it's just a vicious cycle of cutting yourself off from social events, again, eating less, just taking out things that you really enjoy from everyday life, it's less difficult to really enjoy the process. When you train for a certain skill set or an athletic-based movement, you want to get better at box jumps, you want to do a pull-up, a chin-up, you want to do a muscle-up, whatever your focus is in terms of developing a new skill set, creating functional movement, whatever your goal specifically is for function rather than aesthetics, once you achieve that, that aesthetics or image goal, it's may possibly potentially still be there, but you start achieving the aesthetics and the leaner body, the slight weight loss, the body recomposition, because you've put less mental anguish and overwhelm trying to focus on that aesthetic goal and put it into something functional or a skill set, something specific that you can sink your teeth into and see that progression. And as a fitness professional, there is a lot of stress on to look aesthetically pleasing or have a certain image that we need to sustain, for one, to attract potential clients and to essentially be our walking business card / billboard. But I think it's extremely important for general population, a fitness enthusiast, fitness buff, or someone starting to get into their health and fitness journey to get deep and dig deep on specific goals, other than the aesthetics component and a certain image that they want to focus on, how they want their body to look. Don't get me wrong, aesthetics, having a goal specifically pertaining to your body, getting leaner, wanting weight loss, body recomposition, yes, it is important. Look beyond that. Try to dig deeper and set very specific goals. You want stronger legs. You want to be able to just accelerate in a new skill set or a skill set you've tried and haven't been able to achieve. The leaner body, the weight loss, the body recomposition, building the body that you are striving to achieve does come in time. Focus on the grand scheme of things. And from this standpoint, when you take that burden and mental anguish off chasing a certain body image or chasing that certain aesthetic goal that you're striving to achieve, you'll enjoy the process more. You enjoy the process when you take less stress and pressure off of yourself and enjoy the ride, enjoy the process, enjoy seeing that progression in your movement, in those functional movement patterns, in your day-to-day exercise and activity, whatever you're banging out every day, you want to make sure you're enjoying it and not stressing yourself out. Enjoy the process. Not to mention, by setting goals pertaining to your strengths, progression, more of the functional aspect of your health and fitness, that sets you up for years down the road of strength, power, confidence, self-esteem. When you hone in just on creating a leaner, slightly less weight kind of you in regards to your goals, that could set you up for years of downward spiral within your nutrition, within your lifestyle, cutting you off from a lot of different events, family functions, and social gatherings because you're so worried about your body fat percentage and the weight that's on the scale. And if a certain body part on your body is lean enough or looks aesthetically pleasing. So be very careful, be very wary of what avenue you want to take within your overall health and fitness goals. Get specific. Ask yourself, what is your main focus? It's fine to want to look better, but it's also fine and much more positive when you want to feel better and put a little functionality behind your goals. So I will leave you with this. Have your look better goals, extremely important, but also have those functional goals. Be able to do something better, be able to progress at something better. Focus on the health perspective of your fitness goals, and the byproduct of getting better at those functional movements and things that you've honed in on is potentially going to be slight weight loss, body recomposition, muscles. Whatever you're striving to achieve from an aesthetic standpoint will come in tenfold when you focus on the other aspect, and it's less stress on your head. So have those physical goals, have those aesthetic goals, but also have the physical goals in relation to functional movement, developing a new skill set, looking at progression in terms of talent, building strength, building power. That is extremely important, and everything will coincide once you get real with your goals and set realistic, smart, attainable goals. Again, not knocking aesthetic goals. I have them personally, but make sure you have goals set into place from a mental component, a physical component, and then your image component. It's extremely vital for your overall health and well-being. Remember, you need to enjoy your health and fitness journey, and setting smart, specific, attainable goals from a physical, mental, and emotional standpoint is vital for the process. It is your process. Enjoy it. Do not dread it.